Hey guys, in this tutorial I will explain how we can trace an image in Fusion 360. For tracing the image, first I will upload the image into the Fusion 360. For uploading the image, I will click on Insert, Canvas, Insert from Computer, select the image and Open. And now I will select a face. Currently I am on a top view and will select XY plane. The image has been inserted. Now I can adjust the alignment of the images by using these handles. For alignment adjustment, I will choose the top arrow and will drag a little bit up one so that the middle of the circle must be aligned to the center. Now I will click on OK. When we upload the images in Fusion 360, all the images saves into Canvases folder with the default name. However, we can rename them later on by right click on the name of the image and rename and then press enter. If you have more than one components in a single file, the images of all components will save in a single folder canvases. It may not create any folder in each component. For tracing the image of exact size, we must know the dimension of at least one part. Now I know the dimension of this middle circle. Let's suppose the diameter of this middle circle is 20 millimeter. First I will recalibrate it. Recalibrate means I will adjust the diameter of this circle to 20 millimeter so that the other parts of this gasket must be resized accordingly. For resizing, first I will click on the image, right click and click on recalibrate. Then I will select 2 points, one this one and one this one, and set the diameter 20 millimeter and press enter. You can see that the whole gasket has been resized according to the 20 millimeter diameter of the inner circle. The center of this circle is not aligned to the origin. For alignment, I will right click on this image and edit canvas. By using the top arrow, I will move the gasket a little bit upward so that it must be aligned to the center. Then I will click on OK. Now I will create a sketch on XY plane. Creating the sketch, I will press C and will select the top surface. Then I will create a center circle of 20 millimeter diameter. Once I created the circle of 20 millimeter, you can see that the circle has been aligned successfully to the boundaries of the circle of the gasket. Now I will start tracing. I will select the line tool to create a line from here to here. Again, I will select the line tool and will create another line from here. Again, I will select the line tool. I will create a line from here to here. Again, I will select the line tool and will create another line from here to here. Again, I will select a line tool and will create this line from this point to this point. Again, with line tool, I will create a line from this point to this point. By pressing escape key, the tool will be deselected. Now I will select the equal constraint and will apply on these lines. These two lines must be equal. Then this line and this line must be equal, and this line and this line must be equal. After applying equal constraint, I will go to the create 3-point arc. Then I will create an arc from this point to this point, another arc from this point to this point, and another arc from this point to this point. After creating these arcs, I will select the tangent constraint and will apply on these arcs. First, I will select this edge and this arc, and then this edge and this arc. This icon indicates that the tangent constraint has been applied on here. Then I will select this one and this one and this one and this one. Again, I will select this one and this one, this one and this one. When I apply the equal constraints, you can see that some points of the sketch are not aligned with the images. First, I will align them. For alignments, we can align them manually by selecting the vertices and align them to the images. Then I will select this arc and will select a little bit upward. Now I will select the alignment of this point to the image. This point to the image. Once the minor adjustment has been done, then I will create the rest of the part of the image. For creating other parts, I will click on Create, Arc tool and 3-point arc, and will create this arc. Again, I will select this point and this point and will create another arc. This point and this point will create an arc. As you can see that this point is not accurately aligned with the image. First, I will align this manually. After alignments, I will select arc tool and will create these arcs. After creating the arcs with arc tool, now I will apply tangent constraint on these arcs. First, I will select the tangent constraint and will apply on them. When I apply tangent constraint on these arcs, this alignment has been disturbed. Now I will adjust this. I will adjust this manually. For adjusting this point, I will adjust the center of the arc manually. I try to make the maximum accuracy with the image. Now this time to design these circles. For creating the circle, I will select the circle. I will create a circle of 5.7 millimeter and will align them maximum to the image. I have created another circle of 4.5 millimeter and align with the circle of the image. For creating this slot, I will click on Create, Slot, Overall Slot. Then I will select this edge and this edge and will create a slot. I will do a little bit of adjustment manually and this slot has been created successfully. Now I will create this circle. I will select the circle and create this to 2.5 millimeter and do the adjustment a little bit manually. Sketch has been completed. Now I will add the thickness to the sketch. For adding the thickness, first I will click on the extrude, then click on this one and enter the value 2.5. Press OK. The thickness has been added to the sketch. If I hide the body and sketches, you can see that this circle is not gone all through from the body. So again I will check this on, again apply another extrude and will select this one and enter the value 1 less than 2.5. Now this circle has been created. If I go to the top view, you can see that our gasket has been completed successfully aligned to the image. Hope you like this video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification of new videos. Thank you.